Today I'm showing you the best VS Code extensions for 2025, the ones I actually use every day as a full-stack developer. No fluff, no 100 extension lists, just the real tools that improve your speed, code quality, and workflow. Extension 1, GitHub Copilot, 2025 update. Copilot got major improvements this year. Better inline explanations, code refactoring suggestions, smarter autocomplete, project-wide context understanding, test generation, AI commit messages. If you're using VS Code without Copilot, you're missing out on the biggest productivity boost. Extension 2, ES 7 plus React/Redux snippets, 2025. This extension is still a must-have for React developers. Shortcuts for components, hooks, async functions, arrow functions. Everything that speeds up React development. Extension 3, Error Lens. This one turns errors into visual indicators right inside your code. No more switching to the terminal. You see mistakes instantly. Extension 4, Git Lens. Git Lens is essential for understanding who changed what, when, and why. Perfect for teams, open source work, and debugging bad commits. Extension 5, Thunder Client, Postman Alternative. A lightweight Postman alternative inside VS Code. Perfect for API testing without leaving your editor. Extension 6, Prettier plus ESLint, 2025 config. Still mandatory. Format, consistency, and clean code. Automated. Extension 7, Docker, 2025 update. Now supports templates, container insights, and faster container logs. Great if you're working with microservices. These extensions will make your coding workflow 10 times faster in 2025. Which one should I review next? Drop a comment.